Now, a question from the writing task 2. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. The growing number of overweight people is putting a strain on the healthcare system, and that is why some people think that more physical education lessons should be introduced in the school curriculum. To what extent do you agree? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Now I will read out the introduction and provide some explanation. The healthcare system is facing challenges on account of an increase in the population of overweight people. Seeing this, some people feel that the best way to resolve this issue is to have more sports and exercise programs in school. I completely agree that this is the best way to mitigate this problem. Now you can see here the candidate has correctly paraphrased the statement and has clearly given his position, and that is that the candidate agrees with the statement. Now moving on to the first body paragraph. Firstly, problems involved with obesity and weight gain can be best solved by taking a long-term approach. And this can be done by introducing more physical activities in educational institutions. This will ensure that the next generation will be healthier and will not have such health problems. At the moment, the average child plays sports about twice a week, which is not enough to counteract any otherwise sedentary lifestyle. However, by incorporating more sports classes into the curriculum and by encouraging extracurricular activities, sports activities, children will undoubtedly become fitter and more active. In the body paragraph 2, the candidate has written about another aspect of his view. Another point to consider is that having more sports lessons for children in schools will filter through to other members of their family and thus have a longer reaching effect. It has been observed that parents whose children are physically active are more likely to get involved in sports as a way of further encouraging their children. By both parents and children being involved, it will ensure that children grow up to incorporate sports into their daily lives. This is certainly a natural and lasting way of improving general public health. Thus, to conclude, to overcome the challenges that the healthcare authorities are now facing owing to an increasing population of overweight people, changing the lifestyles of the young generation by introducing sports and fitness related activities in schools is the most effective approach. As you can see here in the conclusion, the candidate